Nino, Nino. Did you say something? Are you sure? Pardon? Yeah, the rain's terrible. Also, dude, you were definitely talking behind my back. You were saying nasty things to me. Oh. The one thing my bike needs desperately is ABS. It comes and goes in waves. It always does. Am I recording? You go. It is wet and it is in the utmost of soggiest. Twos, I cannot go that quickly. My bike sucks in the rain. What's this about? My bike sucks in the rain. Anyways, a little ride. This is going to be the first proper video in the rain, other than the West Bay ride that happened. But you know, listen, if you're just going to speed off, I'm not going to be your friend. How about that, huh? Bled. It comes and goes in waves. It always does. See, there's oil all over the road and I don't like it. Oh, what's this guy doing? Go forwards. Good boy. Oh, why do we have to go left, bruv?
Are you saying something?
Yeah, my bike sucks in the rain. Oh. And there's oil all over the roads. Yeah. Don't you worry about a thing.
Oil?
A myth. No. I don't know if you've noticed, but the ground's wet. Huh? The ground's wet. It comes and goes in waves. Anyways, you see, Twos, you need to slow down, buddy. Oh, bruv, there's just oil everywhere. I'm gonna die. This is the video where I high side or low side. Nah, it's all over the road. Twos, help. There's oil literally fucking everywhere. Careful. I can't go that quickly. I'm gonna take my time, bitch ass. I think I hear a siren. I don't know where it's coming from. I don't think it's coming this way. Oh no, it is. Pull over, you silly boy. I don't know. That way is behind us. Nino, Nino. So we need to get to your work so I can edit. I've got stuff to edit. You're a good boy though, aren't you? Yeah, you're a good boy. Cheers. Oh, the wind's horrid. You better stop, because you're a good boy. Stop, because you're a good boy. Good boy, good boy. Good boys deserve treats. You get a doggy treat because you're one of those good boys. Yeah, I apologise if oh, it's so wet. I apologise if there's water on the camera lens. I didn't really know how much or how well GoPro handles water droplets. So I'll wipe it occasionally from time to time. If that makes it worse, I'll find out in this video. If it makes it better, then perfect, really. But yeah, I don't know. Also, if the battery dies in this video, I deeply apologise. So in the meantime, if you like the content I make, please like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends. We deeply appreciate the support. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just gonna get that out of the way, so you know, you guys remember to subscribe, because I know this is why no one likes you, silly man. It comes and goes in waves. It always does. Huh? You right? Did you say something?
No.
Are you sure? Pardon?
The rain.
Yeah, the rain's terrible. I thought she said something. You need to wait there, young man. You need to wait. Wait there. Hello. Is it my time to shine? It is. We could have stopped off at petrol, you muppet. I need fuels. My bike needs juices. Also, you were definitely talking behind my back. You were saying nasty things to me. Oh. The one thing my bike needs desperately is ABS. So I don't think this bad boy has that. So if any means that I need to brake, I'm dying. In other words. Oh damn, they got all the bikes out. Cheers. Is it pie popcorn? See, you're hitting angles that my bike will refuse to make in this kind of weather. Where are we going? Oh, straight, my bad. I genuinely hate the rain. If there's anyone watching this video and you're an experienced biker, are there any tips for me to feel more confident in the rain? Because I genuinely hate riding in the rain. I don't know whether or not it's due to the kind of tyres I've got on, or like, you know, I just suck at riding and I probably should, you know what, I'll quit, that's fine. No, do not talk to me in that way. It's disrespectful and it's rude. Fantastic. He looks a bit soggy, I can't lie. Touche, just remember you're like 7,000 cc's higher than I am. And then my bike is also mentally unstable. It comes and goes in waves. It always does. Big up Dean Lewis. Woo. See what I mean? My bike's horrible. My fog is visering up still. Oh, we're here. Well, isn't that just lovely? Stop that horrible noise. This corner. Oh, it's horrible. Cheers. Twos, hold my hand. Hold my hand, Twos. I'm scared. Twos, hold it. Hold my hand. Twos, hold my hand. Where are you going? Hold my hand. You're rude. It comes and goes in waves. Oh, buddy, we're gonna be trapped in the traffic, bruv. No. We have gone past, I think, 3 petrol stations. I need fuel. Get off of your phone. Get off of your phone. I'm putting my heated grips on. It's cold and miserable. Oh, for God's sake. I told you this would happen, you wouldn't listen to me. Yikes. Oh my God. There is no way you just attempted a wheelie in this weather. Just go up there, go up the hill, go up the hill, go up the hill, go up the... You're a useless human being. Why am I even friends with you? Huh?
What's even going on here?
Roadworks.
Oh, why?
12. I don't really want to. No. Yo, chill, brother. Chillax. Jesus. Everything is out to kill me, including the rain. This is the video I die. Twos, let's think about this. Twos, stop it, Twos. Careful now. Jesus Christ, my front brake just all of a sudden worked. No, none of that, please. Your bike's a horrible colour, it hurts my eyes. You have so long to go. West Malls, somewhere. He did say he's working in West Malls today. I can't really remember, to be honest. It comes and goes in waves. It always does. Oh, pop.
Luckily I've got my GPS in. I do not know where I'm going.
That way.
Yeah, that way. I need a mullah baduka. Yeah, that's the boss.
Yeah, scared. Yo, dab me up, bro. Dab me up. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Don't leave me hanging. Okay, you're gonna leave me hanging. Dab me up, bro. Dab me up, bro. Dab me up, bro. Dab me up, bro. Come here. Dab me up. Dab me up. Margie.
My friend though.
You got a big batty, Chris.
And you are a rude boy, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll take your socks off.
Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'll take your socks off, my friend.
What are you doing, you spaz? Absolute, yeah, muppet, bruv. He's got toxic wastes. I love that candy. And put that candy down there and buying all that meth. You're a mug. I hate you so much. Who do you think I am? Oh. Buddy, I told you my bike doesn't work in the rain. I'm not gonna do that, I feel unsafe. Your mum's a transvestite. Oh my. What's all this about? It's a good job I know the way, isn't it? Good boy for following me. It comes and goes in waves. What are you indicating for? Oh. What are you talking about, brother? Shush! I'm gonna... You're insane. You're not right in the head, brother. You're actually not right. That sounded really cool though. I don't know whether or not me wiping the actual thing... I don't know what that means. It comes and goes in waves. It always does. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, wait. Why am I in 5th gear? Wait, I'm gonna... That was more of a half cough, half sneeze. Half horse, half man. Because I'm a half horse, half man. Yeah, we're gonna have to behave on this one because my bike doesn't go that fast. Thank you, my brother. My bike's terrible. Buddy, how are you gaining these angles on these corners, bro? If I did that on this bike, I'd low side so much I'd no clip into the ground. That's because of those Diablos. Pirelli Diablos. Pirelli Diablos. Pirelli Diablos. Pirelli Diablos. I think they're the Diablos. I am doing 30. Silly man. Come back. Me mama girl says she buffing on me head. A sexy girl says she wanna give me head. Only about bushy turn red. Gymnastic, no the bushy dead. Me mama girl says she buffing on me head. Buffing on me happy. A buffing on me son. You're just not making any sense. Oh yeah, weave, bop, weave, bop, weave, bop, weave and bop. See, you do know where you're going. Apart from the fact you have a thingy-mabob right there. The thingy-ma-doo-hickey-ma-gizmo. The thingy-ma-gizmo-doo-hickey. Go on, give me a hickey. Right here. Right on that, right on my... Oh. Right on my neck. See, that was a mistake, wasn't it, you fucking buffoon? You like men, you like men, you like men.
Would you look at that? You have swindled my knob.
It comes and goes in waves. It always does. Rum. No. Where are you going? Where are you going, bloody bastard? It comes and goes in waves. Shout out Dean Lewis. That was a mistake.
If I go straight down there, so.
Straight down there, so. Traktor! O kurwa! Traktor! Matias! Traktor, kurwa! Co robisz? Co? Nie, dziękuję. Nie, dziękuję. Proszę. Dziękuję. On je jabłko. Tak. Pijesz mleko. Pijesz mleko. Pijesz dog milk. That's what I just said then. I just said dog milk. Pijesz mleko. Tush. Tush. Where are you going? It comes and goes in waves, it always does. I don't like this corner. Tush, question for you. Why are you so rectangular?